Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer invoices from Wave to QuickBooks Online step by step clearly. To transfer invoices from Wave to QuickBooks Online, start by logging into your Wave account. Navigate to the Sales section in the left sidebar. Click on Invoices to view all your invoices. Select the invoices you want to transfer by clicking the checkbox next to each invoice. Once selected, click on the More button at the top of the invoice list. Choose Export from the drop-down menu. Select the option to export as a CSV file. Download the CSV file to your computer. Now, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Go to the Sales tab on the left sidebar. Click on Invoices under the Sales section. In the top right corner, click on the New Invoice button. Look for the Import function by clicking on the gear icon. Select Import Data from the drop-down menu. Choose Invoices from the list of data types available for import. Follow the prompts to upload your CSV file. Map the fields from the CSV to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. Ensure that all required fields are correctly aligned. Review any errors or warnings that QuickBooks may flag. Once confirmed, proceed to import the invoices. After the import is complete, check the Invoices section to confirm that all invoices have been transferred correctly. If there are any discrepancies, address them manually in QuickBooks. Your invoices should now be successfully transferred from Wave to QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.